Ever booked a flight only to see it drop in price days later? It's frustrating, but what if I told you that finding cheap flights isn't luck, it's a science you can master? In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to find cheap flights, anywhere in the world, step by step. Whether you're a casual traveler or a digital nomad, these strategies will help you save hundreds, maybe even thousands, on airfare. Let's kick it off with Google Flights. This is your command center for flight searching. Open Google Flights, enter your departure airport, and leave the destination blank. Switch to the map view. Instantly, you'll see a live overview of airfare prices across the globe. It's perfect if you're open to going anywhere for cheap. Now explore the calendar feature. It highlights the cheapest days to fly across a month. Midweek flights, especially Tuesdays and Wednesdays, often have the lowest fares. Avoid weekends and holidays unless absolutely necessary. Looking for cheap international flights? The key is flexibility. If you're flying from New York to Tokyo, compare fares from nearby cities like Boston or even Washington, D.C. Sometimes booking a short domestic leg first can unlock cheaper international options. Next up, Skyscanner. This tool is built for explorers. Select your departure city, choose Everywhere as the destination, and select Cheapest Month. Boom! Skyscanner ranks destinations by lowest fare. Ideal if your priority is budget over location. KAYAK Explore offers similar flexibility. You set a budget, and it shows you where you can go. Need a vacation but not picky about where? Start here. Don't forget Expedia and Booking.com. These platforms often bundle flights and hotels together at discounted prices. American Airlines and other carriers also publish limited-time flash sales. Subscribe to their email lists and check their sites regularly. Now for the advanced hacks. Want to save up to 50%? Sign up for flight deal alerts from Scott's Cheap Flights, Going, Secret Flying, or Airfare Watchdog. These services send real-time alerts when there are error fares, flash sales, or deeply discounted routes. Always search in incognito mode. Booking sites often track your browsing history and may inflate prices if they detect repeated searches. Incognito resets your digital footprint. Use a VPN to check fares from different countries. For some routes, flights booked from a different geographic IP address can cost significantly less. Timing your booking matters. Based on millions of flight data points, the sweet spot for booking domestic flights is 1 to 3 months in advance. For international travel, it's 2 to 8 months. Avoid booking at the last minute unless you're using last-minute deal apps. Set price alerts on Google Flights, Hopper, and Skyscanner. These tools monitor your route and notify you the moment prices drop. Want to really maximize your savings? Travel during shoulder seasons, spring and fall, when fares are low and crowds are thinner. Avoid school holidays and peak travel months unless it's absolutely necessary. Here's a quick personal example. I once searched for a flight from Los Angeles to Bali and saw tickets going for $1,200. Instead, I booked a flight to Singapore for $480 via Google Flights, then took a $60 budget flight to Bali. Total savings, $660. That's how flexible thinking and smart searching pay off. If this video helped you, hit like and subscribe. Got a route you're struggling with? Drop it in the comments, I'll do my best to help you out. Travel doesn't have to be expensive. With the right mindset and tools, you can fly further for less. So get out there, start exploring, and remember, travel smart, travel often, and travel cheap. Thanks for watching, and safe travels.